it was like...
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. What you're looking at there is a 12-pound free-range Salt Spring Island chicken. All right? And I put it on the scale. I was holding the thing, and it says it probably weighs about 10 pounds. This chicken is 12 pounds. And it looks like a turkey. Looks like a turkey. So anyway, Wendy's making a brine for it. She's got kosher salt in here. There's bay leaves off our bay trees. There's hawthorn berries. There's basil. I don't know what else she's got in it. That's kosher salt there. And then you boil it. And then what you do, you rosemary, and dill, everything from our garden. And then what you do, you soak the chicken in it for hours, and it brines.
15 hours.
15 hours you soak it, and it soaks up that salt. And not too salty, but it gives it a really good flavor. Then you actually stuff this turkey after you cook it like a chicken, or like this chicken like a turkey. So it, you know, you could fool people, and this meat is so good. It is so tender. This is like a huge free-range Salt Spring Island chicken. Don't ask me the type of chicken. I really don't know. They're raised here on Salt Spring Island, but it's a big bird. And there's the scale. 12-pound chicken for Thanksgiving. It is Canadian Thanksgiving here, and we also used to celebrate the American one on Maui when we were there in the end of November. We'll still celebrate it here.
Probably to buy that chicken right now would be around 90 bucks.
Oh yeah.
100 bucks.
Yeah, it'd probably be close to $100 to buy that chicken.
Because Cheryl bought 2 the other day. Yeah. She spent over $200.
Yeah, they're expensive chickens, but worth it. All right, guys. Happy Thanksgiving from the Gulf Islands of Canada, a palmy and balmy place. And we're going to enjoy that chicken. Cheers.